Good morning, Lisa. You look fresh today. Did you have coffee yet?
Good morning, Jack. Not yet. I was waiting to grab a cup with you.
That's nice of you. How about we go to the cafe by the park?
Sure. That place has the best morning coffee.
What do you usually order in the morning?
I usually get an iced latte and a croissant.
I like a hot cappuccino, especially on cooler mornings.
That sounds good. Maybe I'll try a hot drink today.
Do you prefer sitting inside or outside?
Outside if the weather is nice. I like the fresh air in the morning.
Good idea. A calm morning with coffee always starts the day well.
I agree. Talking with a friend makes it even better.
Okay, let's go order. I'll get my usual.
Great. I'll try the hot cappuccino today, just like you.
See you in the next video.